Designed from a traceable bloodline that runs through the family of GM fans, Orisys clearly defines a new form language. The surfacing of soft curves and details have been inspired by the beautifully crafted objects around our homes. Orisys comes with a spectacular shimmer, a specialized paint that produces an immaculate, lustrous, smooth surface. An aerospace technique called superforming sculpts these shapes, delivering inevitable definition. The fan functions with a powerful motor of high-grade copper combined with finest materials, made with precisely engineered parts. Keeping the traditional methods of assembly, we were able to create a unique form with trims that bring absolute unity to the appearance of the fan. The intelligently carved canopy flows down, smoothly carrying a linear design. Orisys is a true marvel. It is remarkable and the most evolved representation of a ceiling fan design. A piece of art that complements your interiors and is a true definition of quality breeze. Introducing Orisys.